What's the best way to make money from home? Yo, what is going on YouTube? My name is Joey Rich. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, you beautiful soul, I'm so happy you are here. Now in today's video, I'm gonna go over the best way to make money from home. This is what I've been doing this past year, 2018 to 2019, to be generating my wealth. And this is something that I hope you look into to generate your future wealth coming into 2020 and ending this year. And the number one opportunity that I have for you is something that's called high ticket sales. And before you have the reaction like, oh my god, it's sales, I don't want to do that, I don't want to do nothing with sales, trust me, it's not what you think it is. Now the reason why I say that is because what we actually do is we are taking in appointments of people who are actually interested in what you're selling, first and foremost, and two, we're going out there and reaching out to the people on the reason why they didn't purchase. So what you're actually doing is you're changing lives for the better, because the only thing we're actually selling is a valuable product that is life changing. So first and foremost, I just want to get the whole sales like, oh, I don't want to be a sleazy salesman. Trust me, you're not. This is different. You're gonna be the best version of yourself, and you're gonna help other people become the best version of yourself. That's exactly what you're doing. So get that whole sleazy salesman thing out your head. Now another reason why this opportunity is so great, especially going into 2020, is if you're thinking about even being an entrepreneur in the first place, thinking about having your own business, being your own boss, the number one skill, every single entrepreneur has said this, the number one skill that you need to have, that you need to master first and foremost, is sales. So this opportunity can be your gateway into starting your own business, into being your own boss. And basically with what we're doing, you are basically your own boss, because you're in charge of your schedule, you're in charge of how many appointments you're taking in, you're in charge of how many calls you're doing each and every day, and you're in charge of basically your life and your income. Now what I really love about this is that there's no cap, meaning there's no ceiling on how much money you can make. And with high ticket sales, it always goes up, it goes up, it goes up, it goes up, because the thing is, there is no ceiling, and then you never get capped. One, not only am I working remote, but two, I control my schedule. Three, I control whenever I want to take in these appointments or call these people my influencers want me to talk to. Basically, what makes this a really great opportunity as well is that honestly, no one really knows about this. If you search up online, everybody knows about Amazon FBA, everybody knows about Shopify dropshipping, everybody knows about affiliate marketing, but who really knows working from home doing high ticket sales? Really, who, tell me. Tell me, right? There's probably only a couple of people out there that actually talks about this opportunity, right? So I want to make sure that you are in the best position going to 2020, going into something that's not even saturated first and foremost. Because one of the things that suck is basically jumping into an opportunity and everybody at the same time is jumping at it. Whereas there's another opportunity, not a lot of people know about it, and that's where people win. That's how for me this year alone, I was able to generate $300,000, right? So I want to make sure that you understand that this is legit. This is real. This is what I've been doing. This is what my team's been doing. And this is what a lot of people has been doing to generate their incomes this year and obviously going for years to come. Now, if you don't know where to start, what I suggest you do is download my free ebook down below. It's my 5-step blueprint into creating a 6-figure phone sales empire. I literally poured my heart and soul into it. So you have all the tools and resources you need to follow the exact steps that I took to get into the position where I am today. And what I also have is an exclusive Facebook group that's completely free, right? Completely free. You could join it and you could see what's actually going on, the money people are making and the closes they're getting. So again, guys, it's all legit, because I know once you search up how to make money from home, all these scammy videos come on, but I got your back. It's about living rich, and living rich means being transparent, is being honest, and you're welcome, because I'm being very honest with you right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very straight to the point. To simplify the process, what you do is, one, you find an influencer, which you could check out this video right over here to find an influencer. I have a video right here. Two, after you find an influencer that's credible, I have the criteria in the ebook, guys. So just follow the steps in the ebook and you'll have the right criteria to work with. Start doing high ticket sales for them. And then three, start getting commissions, right? Getting commissions off 10 to 20% off $10,000 packages, 15, 25, 50. In this world, at first, I didn't believe it, but being in this world for the year, like, it's completely normal. There's a lot of people that sells at $10,000 giving you 10 to 20% commission. It's not some fantasy world. It's here, it's happening, and I'm happy to introduce you to it if you don't know it already. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very quick, very simple. Hit the subscribe button down below so you guys can keep up with the Team Live Rich, and comment down below what you think. If you're gonna jump onto this opportunity, what you think about it, what you like about it, and all that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit that like button for me, please. Like right now. Right now. Right now. All right, thank you. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.